we are going to make this beautiful component. This is a hover transition, and we're going to learn how to do it. So basically, first, I have here my layout. I create this component based on this reference, the colors, and also this reference that I found in website. I'm not using Figma because paper allow me to copy a styling component faster, but you can also do it on Figma because you can also use a plugin. Anyways, so let's go to AI Studio. Let's make sure that we're using the Gemini Pro latest. By the way, this app is free. So what we are going to do is basically we're going to make this component. Okay, we're going to copy paste and go directly to build. Okay, it's doing it. Just let's wait for a minute. Okay, it's working. I'm just going to give here. I'm going to click on skip. The philosophy we need to have as a designers in this new AI era is basically just simple. Like the better the input, the better the output. That's it. So as you can see, I am not gambling. I'm not winging it here. I am giving the AI exactly what I want to do. So let's go. Right now we have the component. It's pretty close. It's amazing because we have the component exactly our reference. And basically what we are going to do is just start giving directions to the AI. So let's go. I want to create a float interaction. And also we are going to add a title and subtitle where we are going to put the service of this doctor. Okay, so this is my prompt and let's see what happened. Okay, so let's continue. I want to give a better direction. So basically I want to say this title and subtitle needs to be on a white background, the mini component at the bottom of the card. It would have been better if I could have sent this component, but I just want to test how the AI will create. The AI just hallucinated, so it's normal, it's pretty normal. We're going to restore from here. As I said, we go to the basic. The better the input, the better the output, right? So we're going to send here our reference, and I think the AI will make a better job with a reference. I want to add the name of the doctor and also the service they offer. Yeah, I think with that we will have a better output. So let's wait. Okay, we got a result. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, we got animation. Yeah, it's pretty close, but I think the pattern here at the top is more smaller than at the bottom. So I just want to be these centers. It's not a line. I want to be centered on this white component. Please, let's make sure that these two components are exactly at the center of the component. Okay, let's see how it works. Also, I'm going to check here how it's working on mobile. Well, in mobile, we don't want this to be a hover because the interaction basically doesn't make sense. A tablet, yeah, it could make sense. We're going to make changes in a bit. So let's see. Okay, cool. Well, basically we already have the component. We're going to make other few changes. I want the title to be only on 2 lines. I want the title of these components to be only in 2 lines. Other thing that I want to correct is the mobile and tablet version, because we also need to be aware if we're designing a real website. So please, for mobile, let's make sure that we only add 4 cards. These cards do not have to interact with the hover. Yeah, okay, let's see. Just we need to wait a little bit, but yeah, we are pretty close. Okay, we got it. So let's see the results. Here on desktop, I mentioned it 2 lines, but on mobile, it's cool. And also for tablet, it's also cool. It's nice. But yeah, I only need 2 lines, please, on the title. Okay, I got it. We got it, the 2 lines, and the components is also working smoothly. So that's it. And yeah, basically that's it. So now I'm going to show you how you can apply this on any AI tool. First, on our AI website school, whenever you have access, we also have access to our platform, our templates platform, where you can also access to over 90 premium templates on Figma, Astro, thousands of components and interactions. We're ready. Just turn this component into a prompt so you can use it on any AI tool. For example, let's test it on Lovable, because I think Lovable it's easier, just to show you as an example. And please create this section and let's wait. Okay, we actually got the results here. Let's see let's wait for the preview. We have the component and it shows a really smooth interaction. Obviously, Lowell generated another photos. We can also apply our photos here, but yeah, that's it. I also wanted to show you what was my process to create these photos. As I mentioned, the better the input, the better the output. So you can use any tool that has this type of workflow feature, but also you can do it on ChatGPT, on the chat, or Gemini. It's also work good. Just I doing it here for this example because I think it's really visually explanatory. So basically here I added here a photo that I really like that lighting, and I put it here a background that I created, and I mixed both of them. But I didn't like the pose of this guy, of this doctor, because it's not aligned. So I find this another reference. Obviously this has a perfect alignment, and also the profile is frontal. It's exactly what I want, and I got this with this prompt. You can also copy if you want. And after that, I create variations of this. As you can see, I am not doing it this at the first try because this is the process. We are refining our output until we go with what we want, and after that we create the variations. Yeah, and that's it. So see you on the next lesson, and if you have any question, please drop a comment.